On today's video, we're going to be unboxing a radiator support. So, yeah, it's not for the second gen Camaro, but I figured this is a good spot to unbox it. We got one coming in for this car very soon because it had a 79 radiator support. Won't work on a 70s conversion without heavy modifications, so we just bought a radiator support. But this is for a V8 S10 that's being built, so let's unbox it. But, yeah, let's go ahead and finish opening it up. Get in the view of the camera where you guys can see and hopefully hear me. If not, I'll be doing a voiceover. But yeah, it looks extremely good from what I can tell. But bubble out. And you go, Bob. It's thinner than a stock radiator support, I can tell you that. It's not super light. The paint job on it is very good. It's got that electric, what is it, coating they put on it from the factory. It's covered very good. It's not finished very well though, so when you got one of these, be careful, you could cut yourself. If you look, always rough edges here and stuff. Not got a very high quality control. This radiator was one of the cheapest ones you could get on the internet. So you know, they range from like $125 to like all the way up to $200, $300, depending on the company you buy it from. Let's take a look at this side. This side's still got sharp edges on it too, but the radiator support is something you don't see. If it functions the way it should, then I have no issue with it. And especially with a square body S10 that's getting a V8, the radiator support was completely destroyed on it. So a budget build, cheaper radiator support, if it does the job, I mean, who cares? Fitment may be an issue, may have to notch some fenders and shim here and there, but if you worked with body panels before, that's no biggie. So aftermarket parts, what gives most people trouble, if you dealt with them, they really ain't much trouble. I don't see no dings anywhere. It looks pretty decent for the price you get. The quality, it's okay for, like I said, $125, $150 usually what you can pick one of these up for. I'll leave a part number in the description. Who made this? Maybe it's on the box. And there's the company. And the part number in case you want one. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was a little hectic, but we got more content coming soon. I just want to show people with S10 radiator you can get pretty cheap. Be careful, it can cut yourself. The stamping looks okay. Looks like it's got all the punches it needs to. It's decent for the price. If you're looking for something low budget, check this radiator support out. If you're looking for something that's kind of bold in the go, AMD has great products, so check a radiator out from AMD. But if you're on a budget, check one of these out. So if you're new, get subscribed and drop a like, leave a comment. Enjoy hearing from everybody. Let me know what you're working on, and hopefully we'll get a radiator support and a bunch of other parts in very soon for this Camaro, and we can start putting the motor in it and building this thing on up. Well, 70 Camaro conversion. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I got a storm coming. Yeah, it's in the air.